So the question is, should you own a cryptocurrency IRA? And you'll know the answer to that question by the end of this video. Stay tuned. So I had a great question the other day, and it led me to make this video. And basically the question the person was asking is, they had a $10,000 inheritance that had just come, and they were wondering what they should do with the money. And so the first part of the question was, should I invest it into maybe an IRA, like, something for retirement? And the second part of the question was, or should I invest it in like a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of these new technologies that are happening right now? And I said, well, did you know you could do both? And the conversation went on from there, but it led me to realize that there's a lot of people out there that don't even know that there's a product that can do both, that you can have an IRA and also cryptocurrencies combined. And so this video is not meant to be financial advice. It's just sharing information that there is products out there that if you're interested and you're willing to take on some risk, that there's some products out there that you can use towards your IRA. And I want to talk about the pros and the cons of that. All right, well, let's talk about some of the pros and some of the advantages of owning a cryptocurrency IRA. Obviously, the first advantage is that there is a massive upside potential, okay? And that's why, if you're investing in any kind of thing, you're looking to get a good return on investment. And really what's happening with cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology right now is that we're right on the cusp. They've been around for less than a decade. They're growing. The technology is growing. Businesses are starting to see the merit and the legitimacy that blockchain technology has, and there's just more and more and more adoption as time goes on. And so with that, if you're looking to invest in something and get in early, the thought is put the money in now, and there's a massive upside over the next 10, 20, 30 years as this technology advances and grows. And so that's the first pro. The second advantage and second pro that you can have for a cryptocurrency IRA is that you can actually diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio. So maybe you have like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin and maybe a handful of other cryptocurrencies, so that if one goes up and the other goes down, your bets are hedged, right? And it's kind of the same exact thinking of what happens in a traditional 401k or IRA right now. The third pro is that these cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more widely usable and acceptable in society. So as they become more usable and as the average person becomes more and more accustomed to using these things, the more the value will grow. And so those are the pros, those are some of the advantages of using a cryptocurrency IRA. All right, well, now let's talk about some of the cons, the disadvantages of owning a cryptocurrency IRA. The first one is that it's not guaranteed, right? There is very heavy risk because this technology is so new and because it's relatively undeveloped, that we don't know what the outcome is going to be, right? So there's a lot of risk and there's a lot of volatility in the market. So if you can withstand, seeing your portfolio go high and come low, and you have, the ability to kind of stomach that volatility, you'll be all right. But if you don't, this is probably not a product for you, right? Okay, the second disadvantage of a cryptocurrency IRA is that there's usually pretty high fees. And it's because of the volatility, the companies are taking on risk. So a lot of times, like, companies will charge like $20 a month to maintain your account, and then also maybe a small percentage of whatever the total portfolio is. And so that's definitely a disadvantage. And then the third one that comes to mind is that because cryptocurrencies have not yet become mass adopted, there's no guarantee. I think a lot of people think that it will, but there's no guarantee that mass adoption and it's going to take over everything. So there's no guarantee, and that's where the risk lies in owning a cryptocurrency IRA. All right, well, there are some of the pros and cons of owning a cryptocurrency IRA. Hopefully those are helpful tips for you, or maybe helpful thoughts. I wanted to take a quick minute and just let you know that there are several companies out there that offer cryptocurrency IRAs. And the one that I trust, the one that I've dug into, the one I've dealt with in the past is a company called Regal Assets. And I really like them for a few different reasons. The first one is they have fantastic customer service. So if you ever have questions or you're interested, you could call and ask questions, and they're always helpful. The second is they're very informative. They give you plenty of information to help you make a sound choice. They've been Better Business A+ rated for years and years. They've been an industry leader in IRAs and gold, precious metal IRAs, and now they're becoming a leader in the cryptocurrency IRAs. And really, I think they do a great job overall. So if you're interested at all, you can check out any of the companies you want, but the one that I like is Regal Assets. All right, so we're coming to the end of the video. Hopefully it's been helpful for you, but I am curious. If in the comment section below, write yes or no whether you'll consider investing in the cryptocurrency IRA, and maybe a quick explanation of why or why not. It's a very new frontier. It's a very new investment, and I think a lot of people are interested in it, and I'm just curious what your thoughts are on it. So leave some comments in the comment section below. I'm also going to leave a few links for Regal Assets and some other resources for you. Please, if you like this video, if it's been helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and I certainly appreciate it. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.